is on the way! I'm going to teach my mom how to draw an American eagle to celebrate July 4th. This is the sketch I made of our eagle. See? This is the eagle. If you want to draw with us, all you need is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and something you can use to color with. Let's start it. So first, let's draw our eagle's head and where the hat is. Let's start here, and we're going to draw a curve like that. Like a slight curve.
In the middle?
To the left a little.
Okay.
Next, let's add another curve coming out here. And it's hook, and you come all the way into this part of the head.
What is that?
The beak.
Okay.
And so we're going to add the bottom of the beak and then just draw a curve that connects into this curve. A small beak.
Mm-hmm.
Next, let's draw the top of the brim of our hat. We're just going to draw a curve. I love drawing hats. And we're going to connect them. And then we're going to start here. We're going to start here and like a very straight line.
Okay.
Kind of like a magician's hat.
Okay.
And then I'm going to draw a straight line, but going from left to right.
Okay.
And then we're going to draw another straight line going down. We'll come back to the hat later.
Okay.
Let's finish drawing the head.
Mm-hmm.
So let's start here and draw a curve. And then we're going to draw a loop and loop and loop and loop and loop and loop. Those are the feathers.
Okay.
Like that. Great. Now let's draw the eye. I'm going to draw a circle like that and draw a smaller circle in it and then shaded it. Now let's draw some feathers sticking out of the head. Let's draw just some zigzags here and there. Now let's come back to the hat.
Mm-hmm.
So the American flag has 50 stars, but let's just draw one star.
Okay.
So first we're going to draw a rectangle here, like that. And then we're going to draw a star. First we're going to draw a V here, a V here, a V here, a V here, and a V here.
Okay.
And collect them.
How many V's?
Well, 5, I guess. A lot of V's.
Okay.
Let's draw the stripes on the American flag onto our eagle's hat. Just some stripes. Yay! We're done with our hat. Next, let's draw the body of an eagle. Let's start here. And then we're going to draw a curve like that. Like hook it in.
Hook V. Okay.
Yes. And then we're going to start here, and then we're going to draw a curve.
Okay.
Like that. Next we're going to draw this tail feather, just some bumps. Nice tail feathers. Let's connect the curve into the tail feathers. There. Let's draw the wings.
Okay.
First, we're going to draw a curve here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to draw another curve here and connect them together. Next, let's draw the little feathers coating the feet to keep the legs warm.
Okay.
Let's start here. And we're going to draw a U, but not going all the way in here. We're going to continue drawing it like that. And then this side is connecting. Kind of like an upside down M. Oh, with that extra bump. Let's start here again, and they're going to draw another set of bumps also for the feet, leg warmers.
Okay.
Like people do wear leg warmers, don't they?
Mm-hmm.
Let's start with this foot, leg, and we're going to draw 2 lines here. Let's draw the claws, or, well, talons. Let's start here and draw a bump, and then draw another bump, and then curve back in, and then draw another bump.
Oh, I got one more.
Oops, it's okay. It's okay, it's okay. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Only this one is shooting this way.
Oh, okay. Maybe I just do it.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. Let's draw the legs.
Okay.
Draw the other egg. Like again, we're going to draw 2 lines.
Uh-huh.
Try not to make it look like it has toes.
Okay.
When we draw the claws. So here we're going to draw the same thing on this side,
Uh-huh.
and just a curve and another curve, and then come back in. I'm sure you'll manage better this time.
Okay, so like this,
Yes.
and another one.
Yep. Now let's draw another wing here.
All right.
It can't fly with only one wing. First we're going to draw a curve going up,
Okay, curve going up.
and then we're going to draw a curve going down.
Done. All right.
Yay!
Finished.
It looks like it's waving, but it kind of looks a little bit way too boring. Let's add a banner that says Happy July 4th.
Oh, okay. That's a good idea.
Yay! Now let's draw the pole of our banner. We're going to draw a small curved line here.
Mm-hmm.
And then we're going to draw a straight line.
Tree line. Okay.
And then we're going to draw another straight line on the other side.
That's tree line.
And then we're going to add a circle on top. Oops, my circle isn't exactly the roundest.
It's all right.
I like your circle though.
Uh-huh.
And then we're going to draw a line, a curved line
Okay.
that goes all the way up here.
Curve line. Okay.
And then we're going to start here and we're going to add another curved line. Yep, we're going to connect them
Okay.
like that. We're done drawing the outline of things. We're going to use colored pencils to write the words Happy July 4th on our banner, and we're going to use the colored pencils to draw some fireworks.
Oh, sounds good.
I'm going to teach you how to draw the fireworks. They're
Okay.
pretty simple. First, you just draw a curved line shooting out here, 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 and a curved line shooting out here.
Can I use the other color?
Yes.
Okay. Shoot me here. Okay.
There sure are a lot of shooting fireworks. I'm going to draw another one here. Same thing. Curve shooting out.
Okay.
I think it's fun to draw fireworks.
Yeah. So, how many fireworks we do need?
As many fireworks as you want.
Okay.
July 4th has lots of fireworks.
Okay.
I love watching fireworks.
Me too.
They always make a boom noise.
Okay.
It's kind of like something exploding.
I think it might enough.
Yeah, me too. All right. Next, let's write the words Happy July 4th on our banner. I'm going to use red. But you can use any color. Blue, yellow, green, any color.
Okay, I'm gonna use red too.
H, A. I'm going to use them all in capital words.
Oh, me too.
H, A, P,
Oh.
P, Y,
Okay. Happy
Happy July. What was that noise? Probably something's clattering.
Oh my. I'm gonna use multicolor.
Sure. July.
July. Okay. Oh, July. And the long one, I'm gonna use the yellow. Okay.
There.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now it's time for coloring.
Okay.
I am going to first color the pole. Just a crisp yellow.
Okay.
It's pretty simple.
Okay.
Okay. Let's color the talons in class too. I'm just going to color them the yellow.
You like yellow, huh?
Yeah. What was that noise? I have no idea.
Okay.
Okay. I love yellow because it's so like lemons. Lemons smell nice, you know.
Yeah.
Let's color in the star up here.
So we're gonna finish the yellow first.
Yes.
Okay.
Now we're finished with our yellows. We're going to color in our blues.
Okay.
I'm going to...
Any other yellow? No.
No.
Okay.
Wait. There was one yellow.
What is it?
The beak. I almost forgot.
Oh. All right.
Now we can color the square around the, or rectangle around our star. We're going to
Okay.
color it blue.
Great. So.
The brim of the hat we can color any color, but I think I'll finish the blues by coloring the brim of the hat.
Okay. My hat looks a little bit different.
It's okay. Hats can be different in many ways.
Oh, thank you.
Now let's color the stripes using our red. We're going to color many reds.
Okay.
I think red is like a fire color, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
So
I
bright.
love red.
Me too. It's very bright.
Okay.
There. There are no reds left to color.
Okay.
Next, let's use brown.
Chill.
Color the feathers on the bottom. The head we'll leave white
Oh, okay.
because the feathers on the head is white. I'm gonna color the wing.
Very fast.
Yeah.
That's Reese.
Yes. But Mama, something's wrong about your brown.
Yeah. I try to find a dark brown. No, that's blue. That's the only thing I have.
It's okay.
Is that okay?
It's okay. Maybe it could be a baby eagle.
You think about this one?
Yeah. Fine.
Oh, this one better.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
All right. Let's keep going with this.
I'm already finished with my wings.
Okay. I'm very fast.
I know. You're the fastest colorer in the world. Well, what I know of. This is fun. I love coloring. I especially love coloring animals.
Yeah.
Yep. This is so much fun. Wow. Wow. I'm almost done.
My hand?
My arms are getting sore. Okay.
That's bad idea.
I'm
Really?
done.
Okay. Ooh, yeah. Okay.
We're done coloring and drawing our eagle. Mom, your eagle looks great.
Thank you.
I especially like the banner saying Happy July 4th because it's multicolored.
Oh.
Mine looks just plain red. Boring.
Oh, still look great.
And I like the funky shape of your hat too. But there are a few things I would change if I were you.
Oh, what is it?
First, the beak seems to be almost going to fall off its face. And here it's kind of bulging out. And the massive body compared to the stick-like feet. How is it going to support its weight?
I know. That was an accident.
It's okay. It's okay. We make mistakes all the time. You're much better than the first time I drew an eagle.
Oh, really?
Yep. Well, other than that, it looks totally great.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Yours looks wonderful too.
Thank you. Both my mom and I finished drawing our American eagles. This is how they turned out. I think they look great. I especially love my mom's Happy July 4th because it's multicolored. I love colors! How did your eagles turn out? I bet they turned out great! Hey Mom, can I see a bald eagle at the zoo, please?
Okay, why not?
Okay, let's go! Bye!